What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today's video is a nice one because I am playing Nintendo DS, FIFA 11, and I'll show you all the scores. Actually FIFA 9. FIFA 9 because I am playing Arsenal, the Gunners, versus Arsenal, the Gunners, versus Chelsea Football Club. Hope Arsenal, the Gunners, wins. You can see that I am playing FIFA 9 Premier League football teams. Arsenal versus Chelsea. Your time starts now. Arsenal kick-off first. Yeah, dangerous passes. Theo Walcott passes to Mesut Ozil. Keep Petr Cech, the goalkeeper. Oh yeah. Chelsea won. I think Arsenal, the Gunners, will win 5-1. Theo Walcott tackles the ball from the Chelsea team. Oh yeah. Arsenal, the Gunners, did not score a goal yet. Theo Walcott just missed his first goal for Arsenal, the Gunners. Can he tackle? Arsenal, the Gunners can tackle Chelsea Football Club. Yes. Well done, Petr Cech, Arsenal the Gunners goalkeeper, for saving the goals, because Chelsea Football Club nearly scored a second goal. And you won't know this until half time is finished. Arsenal the Gunners tackle. Today's video is a nice one. You jammy Chelsea goalkeeper for saving the goal for Arsenal the Gunners. Look at this, everybody. It was offside. Just because football, Arsenal the Gunners versus Chelsea Football Club. Arsenal 2, Chelsea 1. This Nintendo DS is a game thing for FIFA 9, Rubik's Cubes, I can solve 2 Rubik's Cubes at the same time. Yellow, red, orange and yellow, red and white, blue on its own, and green. Back to the correct colours. Mix the colours up. Blue, green and orange. Blue, green and red. Same colour or different. Yellow and white is done. Back to normal colour. Perfecto. Next Rubik's Cube. Orange, pink, blue, white, green and yellow. Today's video is a nice one, and I'll see you all in the next one. Subscribe, drop a like, enjoy.